And of course, andito pa rin kami with our very special guest, Eclipse.
Hello po!
Hi! Hi, Eclipse!
Hello po!
For now, maglaro muna tayo.
Uy!
Nalaro tayo, Eclipse.
Okay.
Okay, alam niyo naman yung GV Song Association. Alam niyo to. Feeling ko alam niyo to. I will give you a word
Okay.
and you will sing and you will use that word in a song.
Oh!
Gagawa po.
Hindi, dapat may na-release na yung song ha. Baka inventong song.
Sa page per.
Huwag niyo akong lulukohin. Okay, game?
Game!
Po. Tawagin na natin to. Your first word is moon. 3.
in the moonlight.
Sabay-sabay. Competitive lang.
Iba yun. Pero mabilis.
Talking to the moon.
Sige. Pwedeng iba-ibang entry ha.
Baby, you're my sun and moon.
Ay, ganda ng sun and moon.
Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Nice!
Moonlight,
Hey.
sunrise, all night.
Okay pa.
Wala, na-pressure.
Ay, sige Clyde.
Diba sa
Kinuha na ba nila?
Fly me to the moon.
Ay, Frank Sinatra. Love it. Oh, perfect. Meron bang entry? Joshua and Clyde?
Ano po nila yun?
Nakuha na nila.
Ako meron.
Salaran nyo, kinukuha nyo. O, pero one.
Sinta. Asan yung moon? Tahanan at
Moon! Hoy! Hoy! Plakado ka doon, Jilly. Ginagagan mo doon.
At least nandun yung moon.
Oh, extra points for you. For
Creativity.
Oh. Creativity. Ayan, okay.
Shine bright like a...
Oy,
Asan yung...
tama. Asan
light.
Asan yung light?
Light.
Light. In the sky full of lighters.
Lighters.
You turn me on like a light switch.
Charlie Poon.
Disney.
O, sige.
Unless I see the
Ay!
light.
Tangled! I love Tangled. Wait lang. Sorry naman, napaano ako doon. I love Tangled. Rapunzel. Ano pa light?
In my flashlight.
Light. Ah! Pitch perfect! Ah! Oh my gosh. Sige, Rave. Nakuha ba?
Si Rave.
Light. Yeah.
Ay, invento.
Parang invento.
Main invento. Okay, next word na ba tayo?
Next word po.
Okay, wala nang entry. Okay, go. Dream.
Dream 다시 다들 못하는 사랑 기분 좋아.
Susi.
Baka hindi nyo pa napapanood yung ano, I dream my
I love this drama.
Kayo na lang bahala sa
sa puso ko di na
Plakado. Remix.
Dream the impossible dream.
Nice! Wala, ako musical din. Ano yun?
Ano
Name
yan?
is Rock.
I dream the dream and time gone by.
Les Miserables. Oh my God! Ang ganda ng mga tastes nyo. I love it. Sige, meron mo ba?
Dreams are keeping me away.
Oh my gosh.
Million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Ang galing mo dun. Uy, Ginny ha. Lumalamang.
Extra
Galingan nyo.
points for you again.
Extra points for Gryffindor. Okay, your next word is all.
All in this.
myself.
Sige, tuloy mo.
Don't wanna live all by myself anymore.
Hoy, ang ganda. Ginalingan nyo dun. Oh, golden buzzer.
Golden buzzer.
Hey, all of me.
Give your all of me.
All of you.
You're my end and my beginning.
Ay, ganda.
Even when I lose, I'm winning.
Ay, tinapos. Oh, ang ganda ng blending nyo, ha? Wala pa
Cause I
doon.
want it all.
Hey.
I'm nothing at all. There's nowhere left
Lumalamang
to
na si D.
fall.
True, lumalamang
But
competitive.
it's
Oh my
not
gosh!
over.
Alam ko din, Disney ulit, Disney.
Disney.
We're all in this together.
All in this together. Uy, ang ganda. Okay, next word. Nothing.
Track sets.
Cause nothing.
Iba yung kanya.
If I don't have you.
Whitney
Yung
Houston
natin.
naman pala ang
Nothing's gonna
atake.
change my love for you. You ought to know by now
How much
I love you.
Yes.
One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Meron pa.
Ano pa? Sige.
Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Galing.
Ano pa?
Pwede na kayo sa Pitch Perfect.
Ready po.
Pwede na.
Ilabas yung part 4.
Oo. Kabahan ang Barton Bellas. Next word is hello.
Hello, it's me.
Treasure
I'm like, hello, where you been all
Meron
my
ako.
life? Hello, how's your day?
Hey!
I'm here beside you, I can make you go, ooh, oh. See it in your eyes.
See it in your eyes.
Kinanta.
Hey.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Meron pa, ano? Hello from the other side.
Ay, wow.
I'm sorry.
Tuloy mo. Ang ganda eh.
Hello. Tapos na.
Tapos na.
Sana ko
Sige
nakikinig
pala.
ka. Sana nandito ka. Tapos na.
Hello.
Wala na ba dyan?
Wala na.
Hello. Nalilito. Asan ba ko sa'yo?
Plus 2 points sa creativity.
ko sa'yo?
Ginalingan mo doon, Rave. Nakakainis. Plakado ka doon. Okay, grabe ha. Perfect so far. Okay, next. Tignan natin to. Shadow.
Shadow my shadow. Shadow my shadow. In the shadow.
Shadow yun, diba? Next is summer.
Summer over the rainbow.
May entry. Or bumelo. Bumelo ulit.
Summer down the road.
Uy, ang dami mong baon ha. Ang dami mong baon.
Oh, go. Summer after high school.
When we first met. Okay. Magaling.
Very good.
Naku, huwag kang mahiya. Huwag kang mahiya. Todo mo yan. Oo. Okay, next yung word. Ay, perfect ha. Ito, bandera.
Bandera. Simula ng eksena. Sa itaas ang bandera.
Hey!
O ano pang hinihintay? Ikaw na lang hinihintay.
Grabe.
Bandera.
Okay, gab na lang daw yun.
Okay, gab na lang. Ulitin natin kay Gab.
Ayoko na.
Pero no, grabe ha. Perfect. Ang
Perfect
daya.
po. Wala pa tayong ano,
Oo.
guys.
And. Next word, end. E-N-D.
E-N-D?
Ay!
Ibirit
There
mo
my
yan.
entry.
love you.
Guys, end of time. End of time.
End of time. End.
Come take my hand, I won't let you go. I'll be your friend. I will love you so deeply. I'll be the one to kiss you at night. I will love you until the end of time. I'll be your baby. Promise not to let you go. Love you like crazy. Say you'll never let me go. 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 Say you'll never let me go.
Uy! Oh my, ang ganda.
Are you with us? Are you with us?
Go to the end of the road.
Okay, sinapulan tayo ng main vocal.
Grabe.
Ganda ng voice to.
Oo, grabe.
Alam namin yun.
Uy, ang galing niya
Hindi lang
doon.
namin kaya kantahin.
Labanan niyo.
Ay, may end.
Next word.
Ayan na.
Cheer.
Cheer. Cheer you on, make you laugh from the stage love. And when you need to focus, I can hit the blast off. And I'll always be there. hoping that forever you'll be okay, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Mascot.
My gosh.
Hey, stream mascot!
Stream mascot, mga ka-vibes, go!
Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
Okay na kami. Tapos na.
Cheer up, baby. Cheer up, baby. Yaru himale. Nana shikchun mara munanda. Tarara niga mara chowa kita ko.
Sayo na.
Well, I love Twice!
Let's go.
Natutuwa talaga ako today.
Same po, we love Twice.
I love it. Oo. Mag-ano sila dito? Punta sila dito, di ba?
Cheer up, cheer up.
Actually, last year din po pumunta po sila.
Ganun po kami.
Pupunta sila. Amazing. Hello, Nayon.
Hi, Mina! Hello, Mina!
You're listening. Alam nyo na. Baka naman. O, pag-perf nyo
Sana.
to.
Hi, Sana. Hi, Dayon.
Ay, di ba? Okay, your next word is toasty.
1, 2, 3.
No cold feet, flex room gets toasty. Mascot drop, whole world get to know me. Bubble gum pop, hold me. This is 7 heaven, shake it down with the whole team.
Hey.
My God.
Shake it
Hey.
down.
Shake it, shake it, shake it
down. Shake it.
Stream, shake it down.
Stream, shake it down, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Shake it, shake it.
Clyde.
Hello?
Where did that come from? My gosh. Mariana's Trench. Ay, grabe ha. It's amazing.
Magandang word na daw.
Mahiwaga.
Mahiwagang salamin.
Ay!
Bus.
Kailan kaya aaminin kanyang tunay na pagtingin?
Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin, salamin sa...
Meron tayong entry na sabay
Grabe!
Yung sabay sana tayo sa Mahiwaga.
Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw.
Grabe.
Instrumental.